This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sally Sparks. An absolutely precious home with real hardwoods, a newly renovated shower, a front porch that is more like a front patio. Upstairs loft area has entry by a sliding painted white barn door and is the perfect home office, library or hobby space. The hardwood floors have been beautifully refinished. The deck sits over the walk-out basement doors. Fully fenced yard. Storage sheds convey with the property. Basement has a walk-in laundry room with custom built-in shelving. All kitchen appliances will remain with home. The bathroom upstairs has been remodeled in last month. Plenty of wonderful storage downstairs, one room 8 by 11/7 and another 5 by 10. Gas is available for hookup. This is a charming home with a half-acre lot in a convenient location, so don't miss the chance to view it. For more information, review the details below or contact Sally Sparks at 865-342-4200.